Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Costway portable air conditioner has collected too much moisture, the unit may display a notice, stop cooling efficiently, or require manual draining before it can continue operating normally. During regular use, a Costway portable air conditioner removes humidity from the air, and that water must eventually be emptied from the system. The best part is that draining the unit is usually a quick and straightforward process that only takes a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to safely remove water from a Costway portable air conditioner and get it ready for continued use. Try these. Step 1. Turn off the Costway portable air conditioner. Step 2. Position a container near the Costway portable air conditioner drain outlet. Step 3. Open the drain access on the Costway portable air conditioner. Step 4. Let water flow from the Costway portable air conditioner completely. Step 5. Reinstall the drain cap on the Costway portable air conditioner. Step 6. Restart the Costway portable air conditioner and check operation.